All right, we're back. Just OBS was being weird, I think. I had too many instances open. We are so back. We were starting stream so late, but I am trying to make sure that next week's worth of streams are sick. I really want to get this idea done. And so we're just gonna lock in right away, right here. Oh, here's the desktop capture. Good thing I didn't have anything open, but what's up, everybody? Hello? Someone subbed earlier. I need to thank them. Eagle Granter, thank you for the Prime. Fofi, hello. Archibald, hello. John Soul, hello. Timothy, hello. Goopball, hello. Goop. Rogue Shadow, hello. Casual 1 a.m. stream, yeah. Casual developer stream. I mean, I selfishly need your guys' help to test stuff, but look at all the progress I made. Hold on. Look at all the sick progress I made. Maybe there might not have a need for music. I'll keep the music up. What type of band? You'll see. I want to do the interactive stream tomorrow. That's kind of my plan. Like tomorrow on Monday, and maybe Wednesday as well. This is going to be a lot of fun once we get it to work. So I'm excited. I'm locked in though. Right here, check this out. This is the current status of our band. It's looking good so far. So we got the bass. I'm gonna rename this Fish Bass Mirror. Rename this Peepo Guitar Mirror. And then rename this guy in the background Peepo Drums Mirror. Now the problem is I need to figure out what background they get, because now they're just in the void. I could add like a random color source. Like that, and then maybe I can add like a gradient. Like that. Oh, that looks good. Oh, that does look good. Hold on, turn it up here. Yeah, I haven't figured out the background yet. You're not a caroling band, but you can be. And you know what? I could make you like move back and forth. Like da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Wii music moment, yeah. I have a garage background. I think, oh, it's right here. Yeah, this is a little bright. Tiny bit bright. This music is a little too upbeat for me right now. I'm very sleepy. Very sleepy. Ooh. Okay, let me see if let's say Toho Lo-Fi music. How's everyone doing? How's everyone's weekend going? It's wonderful weather right now in the United States, in California. Stuck at work. Has teaching you Blender stuff. That's great. Blender is awesome. Blender kicks so much ass. I'm so glad you're learning Blender. I need to learn Blender. One day I will learn Blender on stream. You're on vacation? Hello. Yeah, guys, we have like 2 streams in a row that are like live coding streams, but it's gonna be so sick when we finish this, right? It's gonna be so amazing. Toonie Looney, hello. And I haven't even shown you the best part. So I've started wiring up all the instruments. I think if I turn this on, it will work. Where's Benny? You know, Benny's anniversary is coming up. Okay, so I think if I turn... Wait a second. I think I turned this on? Is that the button? Question mark. I don't label my buttons. Okay, yeah. So everyone press 1. And it should be working. Everyone press 1. Oh, yeah. Oh! Wait, why is there a drum sound in the background? Oh, because the drum, I see. Okay, no input here. Dude, that's cool. Okay, you can stop. You can stop. You can stop. I disabled it. I disabled it. Isn't that cool? I'm so excited for this idea. I'm going to add a brightness adjustment mask here as well, just to make the background look. Not to yank my own hog in front of all of you, but am I not goated at... Is my APM not goated for these OBS plugins? Like I'm rotating these things so fast. Not to crank my own hog about this thing. Not to what? Is that the wrong expression? Wait, is that the wrong expression? I don't want to make things awkward on the stream. Not, okay, maybe let's try this. Not to... Whoa, contrast too crazy. Not to squeeze my own sausage in front of all you on stream, but I think I click really fast. Is that a better expression? No? That's much worse? Oh. My bad. Try again. Okay. Not to get absolutely rock hard in front of all of you, but am I not amazing with these OBS plugins? Stop. At some point, you guys are the ones who are responsible for it being an innuendo. These are common everyday phrases that I know. These are common everyday phrases that I just know about. And if they're perverted, I have no idea. They aren't? Thank you. Thank you. Not to host my own splooge fest, but I think having this second OBS setup just shows you how quickly I'm working. I'm not trying to drink my own cum here, but I just want you to appreciate the level of detail I'm trying to instill on every single scene. Well, okay, if that's sus, if that's weird, give me an expression that isn't weird. Give me an idiom that isn't off. I don't know, against TOS. What's up, Ziggy? Welcome in. Very soon. Toot my own horn? Are you serious? Wait, people actually say that? In like a work environment? Now I know you're trolling. That is way more perverted than what I was saying. Not to toss my own salad. Yeah! Not to like pour my own tea. Not to not to remove my own rib cage. Not to remove my own rib cage and clamp up. Not to get oiled up here. Would you rather say Sploosh Fest than Horntoot? Not to bone my own zone? Yeah, that seems normal. Did you see Uwo's new stream where he made a speaker system that attached, and I'm not saying this to be lewd, this is his project. He had like these 2 cups that would vibrate, and you can clamp them all to your balls, and like it would vibrate them, and you could like hear music. I think that the thesis was like, you know how there's like bone induction, whatever, where you like put a speaker thing next on your cheek, and it like vibrates your bones, and then like you can hear sound that way. Like he made it for his balls, and he said it was working. But it only worked on like higher frequencies, which is interesting. You can taste and hear from your balls. Yeah. He also did taste stuff from his balls, but I don't remember the results of that. Not to, not to stream on my own channel. Not to sub to my own channel. I wish there was a better way to do lighting with this, because it's a little, and you know what? I shouldn't focus too much on lighting because it is a distraction. I don't need to be doing lighting. Oh, that looks good. Not to sample your own balls. No. We're done. Okay, I mean, I tooted my own horn. I squeezed my sausage a little too hard right there, because we got distracted. So I have a list of things I need to do. Let me hide this and make a little list. What the fuck is this? Why does this say streamer? What the fuck? Hold on. We can do it. Thank you. Streamer bot. Streamer bot. Oh, it's streamer bot. Okay. Unpin. Okay, so here's what we need to do. We need to do bass. Wait. Chat to bass, chat to drum, sound check, background, rehearsal. That is today's agenda. Chat to bass, chat to sound, chat to bass, chat to drum, sound check, background, rehearsal. And tomorrow, band practice is the hope. Who's vocals? Maybe vocals, Gokals. Maybe vocals is bonus, but we got to get this all done first. Okay, so bass input, we need MIDI from MIDI loop port. Sure, yeah, why not? Bass. I'm just gonna do different bass lines just really quick. This is G. Actually, I should find out what all these... Okay. That's great. Well, I'll just copy all this here, actually. And then all this here. Wait, E should stay there, and then A is A1, okay. So bass inputs, and then let's check the MIDI mapping. Can you just copy these? Can I like manually input the MIDI mapping here? Oh no. Piper. Chat, no. This is F. Okay, so that's guitar F. Guitar, 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 guitar. Okay, so let's call this bass 1. Bass 2. Bass 3. Bass 4. Okay, and then we're gonna do CC2. Oops. Oh, loop MIDI port 1. Oh, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this needs to be 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now I need to map all these buttons into these here. So save that. Bass 1. Bass 2. Why am I face like that? Oh god. Bass 2. Bass 3. Bass 4. Make vocals when random words from chat. It'll pick random words. You know, maybe because I originally was planning this stream where we do half development and then half like rehearsal, but because it probably has to turn into like a pure development stream, we could experiment with vocals if we get to it. Okay, so there's bass and then drum. So drum 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Drum 1, drum 2, drum 3, drum 4. I'm trying to be better about doing code stuff and reading chat. So if you have questions, that's a great way for me to feel like I'm actually interacting with you. My face. Yeah, these are triggers on my face. What's up, Gleb? My favorite color? I feel like I'm gonna say one, and it's gonna be the most boring one, but it probably is blue. Can I backflip? There you go. Backflip. Blue's nice. I like yellow. I think I'm maybe more like yellow. Yellow and black together is great. Are we playing a 5-string bass? No, we're not. Okay, the drum input is going to be interesting because... You know what? Here's how we'll do the drum. So don't do MIDI. Duplicate this. MIDI to... I should have a drum input. Oops. MIDI to... Going on. Yeah, I want to show you all this stuff, all the good stuff. Drum MIDI port, okay. So do I have a drum MIDI port here? Oh, I do. A bass input to drum MIDI port. Oh, it won't route out, so I need to route drum MIDI port here. Rename this to drum input just for labeling. There we go. Drum MIDI port out into drum MIDI port in. Okay, and then I know for sure these... Okay, so... Oops. Whoa. Why is it doing that? Oh. It's really fast. Okay, let's try this. And this one, let's just try like all kick drums. Oh, this... Sorry, I'm a little distracted. That is setting to loop animations for multi-note combos. I figured out how to do the animations. They'll just be triggered by individual MIDI notes as I'm doing it right now. I need to catch up on chat. Let's go, let's go. Somewhat grand hello. Yes, we are doing a creating overlay stream today. It's a late night stream, so you're getting the... You're seeing how the sausage is made. If you don't mind me squeezing out the sausage live on stream for all of you. Oh, you know what? This should just be like double time, kind of. Or not double time, half time. And this one should be... There we go. Okay, okay. We can do this. We can do this. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now I just have to map this to each of the drum inputs. 1. Ho ho ho. 2. 3. 4. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. And now, here's the magic. All right, we got it. This is guitar on, guitar off. What is this? This is guitar. Guitar play. Okay, so guitar play, and we want one that is bass play. So can play bass. Message, if message 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then this is where we do the animation. So Peepo drum, Peepo stand group 2, bass move. There we go. Guitar 1. Oh shit! I need to rename all these, relabel all these. Okay. Bass play group. All right. Let's get them in the right group order right now. Bass play 1, bass play 2. You know, maybe when we get more advanced, we can get 5 buttons, because then it will be like Guitar Hero. I just gotta like label all these buttons right now. Oh my god. Drum play group. Okay, so drum play 1, drum play 2, drum play 3, and drum play 4. Oh, this is so much nicer that I can actually show you what I'm doing here. Will it make a FNAF recreation where I'm the night guard and Chad's the animatronics? 5 Nights at Shindigs. Bass is going good. Bass is kind of figured out. I just need to route everything. I'd be down. I liked remaking Peepo's Please, and it might be a cool video series to be like, I remade this popular indie game and we play it like together. Five Nights at Freddy's is a nice one. The cool thing is that there are a lot of cool, simple indie games that we could remake. The downside is it takes a long time sometimes. So I'm trying to find more days where I can stream for longer and we like lock in on making those whole things from like start to finish. We get the byte of 25. Isn't it the byte of 85? Great socks. Why are you talking about my socks? 80. Yeah, it's the byte of 87. Did I say 85? 87. Remake Yume Nikki. You know, I have actually thought a lot about, and I need to do this either today or tomorrow. I need to commission top-down sprites of my characters and Peepos, because I think there is a way to remake like a Yume Nikki type game. That's gonna go crazy. I just need to do the commission. Time to remake Balatro. That would, is also possible, but that would be really hard. Balatro. I recreated Doki Doki Literature Club. I have never played that game, actually. Should I play it? I think I know. It feels like we're so far removed from when it was really popular that it's not going to hit the same. You know what I mean? Because I kind of understand it. It's like, oh, it's a dating sim, but it's actually pretty dark. It has dark themes. And like, we are so... Everything has done that right now. It's, it might not hit the same, you know? Call me crazy though, and maybe this is nostalgia, but I think playing Undertale without having played Undertale in 2025, that would not hit, that would still hit the same. I can't think of another thing where it's like emotionally as resonant as Undertale. I mean, there are things that have like borrowed really good ideas from Undertale, but Undertale's still good. Deltarune doesn't count. You've already know the twist, you won't appreciate it, but for what it's trying to do, but you really should play it. Yeah, I know I should play it. It's like important work. I haven't played Disco Elysium either, so I could... I kind of want to play it on stream, but I'm scared that you guys might find it boring. Alright, can play bass. So let's say button ID bass play 1. Okay, so let's do this code. Bass play 1, bass play 2, bass play 3. Maybe a Baldur's Gate 3 situation. Baldur's Gate 3 was frustrating because my computer for some reason couldn't handle it. That was the frustrating situation. Okay. Bass on. Off. First time watching stream, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Can play drums. Okay, bass on, bass off. Oops. Drums on. Drums off. Drum play. And this is drum play 1, 2, 3, and 4. And okay, okay, and then I need to change this, which is Peepo drum. Ah, okay. We actually don't need this. So this will play all the drums. Drum on, drum off. Is this all correct? Oh, bass play. Drum play. Can play drums. Can play drums. Drum play. And then need to rename this button to drum play. And everything should be routed on the code section. But the issue now is I need to assign you guys to... your teams. So I need to get your last digit, which how did I used to do that? User last digit. So get user ID. I think that was the fake way to do it. Oh, wait. I remember. I can rewrite it. Can you be base? It will be not random, but it'll be based on your user ID. How do I make it so chat is divided into groups? Well, you're gonna watch me do that right now. You're gonna watch me do that like right this moment because I need to do that. So, I'm going to pull value, pull data, user ID, save message as user ID. And then I am going to like string to array, I think. Split string to array, yep. Get the user ID, split string to array, user ID array. Then get array pull. Hold on. Delete variable user ID array here. Okay, array pull from user ID array at the top, which is technically, yeah, it's the latest, it's the last, it should be the last digit in the user ID array. So last user ID digit. And then we do more exit statements. So exit if hold on. If the last user ID, if the last user ID digit is not, oh yeah, is not 1, 2, so 0, 1, or 2. It has to be or. Then break. Wait, if it's not equal to these. Yes, then break. Okay, so this block of code will assign you to team 1. So guitar is team 1. This is team 2. I just need to make sure this is all correct. User ID, timeout time. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think 6. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then over here, we need to add 7, 8, 9, and 0. Wait, 7, just 7, 8, 9. Yep. All right, so this looks good. This is team 3. So drums are team 3, bass is team 1, guitar is that. And then so now I'm going to make a button that lets you check your teams. Trigger pull data. So if I see here, if last user ID digit equals 0 or 1 or 2, then username or Twitch chat, send a chat message at username oh my, yeah, I don't know why it's doing that again. At username, you are guitar. Three, 4, 5. Wait. 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 6. No, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are bass. 7, 8, 9. You are drums. Edit team. So let's call this band. Oh my god, my face again. It's just a trigger on this keyboard. It's just a trigger on this keyboard. Okay, so you type !band. It should give you where you were assigned. Okay, so that looks like it's working. Okay, let's hide. Well, let's just minimize this actually. Second. Gotta move all these windows everywhere. Okay. Oh, the last thing I need to do is actually route up the drums. I need to route up the drums here. And that is going to be... Wait, I need to go to this scene, which is frog drums are moved. Nope. Where's my drum? Okay. So I need to add a move source here. Drum kick. Drum kick 1. Oh shit. Drum kick 1. Drum kick 2. Let's make this like 30. Make this like 50. No. After. Drum kick 2. Maybe it's drum kick 2. Drum kick 2 is like you are lower. There, that looks like you're doing a kick drum. Okay. And we need to route the MIDI. Can I rename this? This is the Peepo band. So let's go untitled binding. This one is for 1 bass. We want a new one that is drum. Note. Okay, so I'm not listening for message. Listen for message. What the fuck? Okay, is that playing out? Okay. This is not working because drum MIDI port needs to be activated. Whoa, 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 whoa. Drum MIDI port needs to be activated. This music needs to stop for a little bit because I need to listen to the drum going on. Huh. Go on. Okay, that's not working. Reset when activated. No, drum MIDI on. All this is on. Okay, this is on. Status. Here. Where are my route? Okay, routing is all good. For bass, it's fine. For drums, it is not yet doing anything. My favorite color might be blue. Changes though. Why is it not detecting anything? MIDI 1, MIDI 1, MIDI port. Oh, you know what? Maybe it has to be in. Off. It has to probably do with one of these routings. Okay, drum input. Okay, off. MIDI from channel 1. Maybe if I reset that. We go here, drum MIDI Listening for messages continuously, maybe. There we go. I just have to reset it. Okay, so 9. Wait, let's see if I can just do this. 9. Perfect. Velocity, we can do a range. Note, oh wait, note on. Note on 36. And I want to turn on the filter. So this, what I'm doing is when a MIDI note triggers for the drum, when the drum kick drum happens, I want to animate the peepo like stepping into the kick drum. So peepo drum, nope. What is that thing called? Peepo drummer. Probably down here. Peepo drum summary, drum kick 2. So now when I do this, oh, it's hard to see, but if I do this, see, they're hitting the drum. They're hitting the drum. And then snare drum. Okay, so copy. Listen for message once. Snare drum. We want to go to arm, right arm, left arm. What arm are we at? Probably right arm. Okay, so we want to go to the right arm. Exciting stuff here, folks. Peepo drum, right arm, left arm. Right arm. Left arm, come on. This one thing about this plugin is like, it doesn't organize anything. There we go. Okay, so now if I hit the snare drum, there we go. Oh, it's going forever. Oh no. It's going forever. Well, we'll fix that. Well, let's fix it right now. Why is it doing that? Oh, disable hit, none. There we go. So now, that seems a little delayed for some reason. We're gonna figure out why. I feel like because it's note on. Oh wait, note on, no any velocity. Okay. Let's turn that off. Go back here. A little delayed. Very strange. Oh, you know what? I'm probably activating the wrong filter. It should be the filter show swing. Okay. So if I do that. Oops. Nope. Nope. It's not that. It is disable swing, disable neutral. Okay, let's just keep doing this because we just have one more to go. And then we'll be good to go. So, and then the hi-hat, listen for message, go. Any velocity, peepo drum, left arm, disable neutral, okay. So let's see if this works. Why is that so instant? Why is that so instant? And the left arm is like so, the right arm takes like a minute. Huh. Maybe, oh, you know what? Custom duration 0 maybe? Yeah, maybe it needs to be that, so. There we go. That looks really good. So let's play this and let's let this clip loop. Pretty cool, but for some reason this guy's still very slow. It could just be the tempo's too fast. Yeah, the tempo's just too fast. I see. Disable, yeah, these disable swings should just be 0. I feel like the arm is like moving very slow. My arms. You know what? I feel like there's a render delay on it for some reason. Oh, I know why. Okay. So now I can actually go back here and actually increase these. I don't know if that makes a difference, but this looks much better. There was a render delay on it because I was messing with an animation loop earlier. Oh, there we go. Faster! Faster! That's great. I think we may be close to being able to do rehearsal. So everyone, the controls are just typing 1, 2, 3, and 4. Type exclamation band. Guys, type exclamation band. Just exclamation band. And then when you see what you're assigned to, type 1, 2, 3, or 4. Just the letters 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alex Void, welcome to the band. All right, I'm going to activate it. And I'm going to activate the instruments one at a time. Okay, so let's go with drums. It's not working. Not working. Interesting. It's not working. Guitar. Let me just activate all of them and see what happens. Okay, none of them are working. Very interesting. Why is that? On. I turned it all on. They're all on. Huh. Let's see what's going on here. Debug. You know what? It might have to do with the Teams code. Let's take a look at what's happening in the Teams code. Okay, last user digit. Ah, I see. These have to be in parentheses. Or quotes. That's fun. Okay. Or maybe not. But I'm just gonna do it in case. Oh shit, that one was wrong. Stuff should be coming through. Stuff should be coming through. Last user ID 445. Can play guitar. Trigger the button. Yeah, hold on. Let me try triggering the buttons by themselves. Okay, those are working. Exit if this is not equal to 0, 1, or 2. Which is not. Maybe if I add a debug. Hold on. It's not working, guys. So I need to like debug it a little bit. Alert message test. 1, 2. What the hell? Okay, so if last user digit is not 0, 1, or 2. Wait, this logic should work because it says if your user ID is not any of those, play it. And you can play guitar. Let me try turning this off. That always exits. Oh, these need to be and statements. Fuck. Yeah, these... Right? There we go. Yeah, they just have to be and statements. Four, five, six. Oh, my freaking... Oh! We got... Oh! They're jamming! Oh. Uh-oh. OBS is dead. I knew this would happen. I knew OBS would fucking die for some reason. Crashed. Yeah, it crashed. I wonder why. Wonder why. Oh god, these init errors. If OBS is dead, how is it streaming? No, not OBS is dead. Sammy's dead. Sammy's dead. Okay, so the issue here might be like all these are receiving chat messages at the same time. This is kind of like inefficient. And so maybe there's a way. Your jam was sick. Your jam was very sick. Maybe there's a way that I can like have one thread handle all of this. And so how would that work? Maybe it's always checking for an ID and it gets overwhelmed. That shouldn't be a problem. Is Sammy easy to learn if you have other basic coding knowledge? Very easy. Very easy. In my opinion, the hardest part about learning other coding stuff is the environment, like the environment in which you code. So, like if you code Python, for example, you may be using it for, let's say, like data stuff, like you're a hardcore data person. You have to set up like Jupyter Notebook and like all this random crap. That's one thing. That's one version of coding Python. Another one is like web development, and that can be a whole different bunch of environments to set up coding Python in. The other could be games, right? And why Sammy is great is because you as a streamer, you should already understand the environment you're coding in, which is OBS. And so it's easy to visualize, hey, if I make this code change, this should be happening in OBS. And you can actually like manually test it and play it out because you know how OBS works. You know how sources appear and disappear and scenes switches and filters turn on and off. So it makes it really intuitive, I think. Let's just try it again. Let's just see. Let's just try. So type 1, 2, or 3, or 4, and let's just see. There you go. Yeah, it's not too bad right now. turned you all off. So I'm going to be greedy and I'm going to just leave it as is because I'm sure there's an efficiency that I could do with processing the chat, but I want to focus on some other stuff. So for the guitar, you're like changing chords, but what I want to do is I want to have some chords like play rhythmically different. Yeah, so like let's just make these rhythms a little different. And same with the bass. So like F, G is fine, and then E is like long E, and then A is like that, I think. Save that. Bite Size Halo, thank you for the tier 1. Let's see how you sound doing this. Okay, type 1, 2, 3, or 4. Oh, it sounds so good, actually. You guys are actually sounding so good. All right, stop. Let's take a look at our to-do list. Drums, what are you doing? They literally won't stop. They literally cannot stop. Oh, because I think this clip is looped. Stop. It was the best of times. It was the chat of times. Guys, this is so cool. We've gotten so much done. Okay, chat to drums, done. Or chat to bass, done. Chat to drum, done. Sound check, done. Background, rehearsal, we are here. Maybe vocals is bonus. Why did I say vocals? Vocals, maybe vocals is bonus. Vocals. How are we gonna do vocals? TTS. Wait, how are these frogs doing TTS again? Wait, how are these frogs doing TTS? Oh, we need to do TTS. Hold on. TTS. We need to add TTS. Okay. TTS. Let's get the music back on because we're back in lock-in coding mode. Guys, you have to think, you have a day and a half to think about your band name, and we are making this into a video. We are doing a video on this. TTS on. But we gotta build this up, so it'll be an interesting video. Let me add the TTS sources actually, because they need to be here. I can't share my screen for that. My voice is not communicating it right now, but I'm very excited. This is a very exciting development we have just achieved. Oh, nope. Load source. We want to load source. No. We want to load, load a source. Boom. Cool. Meet this, TTS frog.
Hello from web. Hello from web.
Bridge.
Hello from web.
Perfect.
Hello from web.
Okay. Let's turn TTS on and see what happens. Oh, it's doubled? Yeah. That's expected right now. Hello, TTS, enable.
Hello from Web is the band name now.
There we go.
Hello from Web.
We are Sex Babo MV.
Backup vocals.
Hi from Internet.
Chicken butt.
Call us the Nuggies.
No, the arms
Okay,
on this
Jummels from Web
guy.
Kinder Slaps.
Test.
People really like the momos.
Hi FOM Internet.
Yo.
Hello.
Yeah, it's still doubled.
We are Sex Baba.
It's doubled on purpose, basically.
Explodes.
I'm not
I am a
fixing it
burger.
right now.
Jomos from Web. How does TTS work out?
It
Hello
picks the
from
most
Web.
worthy chatter.
Chest.
You have
Benny's
to write the
Nuggies.
most worthy message. You know what would be actually funny? Is if I fed each chat message into ChatGPT and it would decide whether or not it's actually a funny message, and then those are the ones to get through. That would kind of... that would be so funny. No AI? No, it's not. That's not AI. That's not that, guys. That's not AI. You don't understand. That's not AI. It's not math either. If you wanted me, I could do a very evil idea with AI. I'm just gonna speak it into existence, okay? I'm gonna say this idea with AI so you guys will not get mad at me if I actually use a little bit for like a stupid little stream bit. I've thought about this idea where this is like a video idea where it'd be I replaced my Twitch chat with AI and you would unionize against me. So like I would say, guys, I'm firing all of you because AI does a better job at being chat. So I'd fire all of you. And then I would introduce the ChatGPT AI chat where it just like generates hundreds of fake usernames and messages and it reacts to what's happening on screen. It can do that. It can do that. It can absolutely do that. And also, I could feed like my entire history of chat logs into it. When you get flagged for bots? No. So how I would do it is I wouldn't actually create new Twitch accounts. I would create a website that I would use as a... I would get a website that I could just pull up on screen and it just is like purely cosmetic, right? Essentially, it's like one AI. It would be one AI, but it's like the one AI is role-playing hundreds of people, if that makes sense. So I think it's a banger idea, but it would definitely piss so many people off, I think. But maybe that's why I should do it. Because I have definite reservations about how people use AI 100%, but I think that's such a incredibly funny idea. Onionize, yeah. I would never do it with my loyal Twitch chat. I mean, in the year 2025 where I have to spoon feed you the media literacy, it would kind of be like a little commentary on how everyone is going to lose their jobs to AI, even the Twitch chat. There's another Twitch chat idea I have with AI, but I'll never say it out loud. Not because it's like evil and bad, but it's like $1 billion idea, and I think I should work on it. If you ever see me stop streaming on a week, just know it's over, and you're gonna see like an App Store thing with the worst Twitch chat idea ever. You need to stop screaming. So true. I think that would actually, I mean, I think auto-generated AI art for the most part is pretty offensive. But in the world of offensive uses of AI, I actually think I found the most offensive thing that I could do with text AI. Because by default for me, seeing like an AI generated image is like, that's gross, that's weird. But when I see like text AI now, I'm like, unfortunately that's like super normalized. But I think I found a way to make it gross. So that's important. That's a win here. You have it, yeah, invent new slurs. You know what's funny? When I know you're joking about AI inventing new slurs, but that's like that is such a highlight about what separates us from AI, right? Like AI can't invent a new slur. That's actually beautiful if you think about it, because a slur is just is grounded in human history, right? And we're making history every single day. And of course AI can be trained on like the latest data or whatever, but like it can never create that civilization, that humanity, right? It can never experience that. It can never experience that type of like prejudice, like truly on a fundamental level, as humans do. It's just different. Like, sure, if it gets conscious, we may discriminate against AIs and like call them slurs, but like that's a whole different dynamic than like human discrimination. It's beautiful that we as humans create slurs. I'm not saying it's beautiful to create slurs. I'm just saying slurs are grounded in a true sense of human history that AI doesn't really... Like, if an AI called you a slur, like, what would that... You'd be like, you don't know what that means. You're just auto-completing. There's no hate in your heart. You don't mean that. Am I making any sense? Like, I'm actually having an epiphany here, which is like what separates us from the machine is partially the ability to create a type of slur. I'm not saying slurs are what makes us human.
Sharata.I is a bunch of ethical questions. It's cool tech, yes, but it causes some serious emotional issues for some folks.
Did you see that study? Thank you for the 100 bits. Did you see the study that showed... What was it? It showed the #1 use case for ChatGPT today is therapy, companionship and therapy. And it bumped out the use cases of like research or like tasks like Excel or something. I remember seeing something on that list. It said like deep research, something that's like actually useful. It was like, I don't use it for that. The #1 use case is like companionship and therapy, which is crazy. It's easy to be told generic therapy things in a digestible form so you can talk to it without remorse. Yeah, exactly. I think it's kind of heartbreaking. I agree. I think there is unfortunately, this is not being enforced, but I think there is a version of that is good.
Could I use AI to find my dad?
You guys. There's a version of that's good, because like sometimes people just don't grow up with that like vocabulary, you know, around like how your mind works and stuff. And so having like an RP experience of that in a very safe way, because like these chatbots are trained not to say anything too insane, I think that's good. The problem is like when there's the line is there and it continually gets crossed. It's like people probably rely on it. They probably develop like an actual relationship with it, and it's bad. That probably gets weird. Therapy was normalized and free. This wouldn't be a problem. Yeah, that's also true. Also very true. Everything is just solved if we just had a normal society. You can tell AI your deepest, darkest secrets and no one will know. That is such an insane thing to say, because 100% I just feel like they are saving those chat logs. I know they say they're not. I know they say no one's reading them. Like, I just 100%, like, I don't know, man. Just 100% someone's fucking reading them. That's all I know. There's no way they're effing not reading them. They are absolutely saving those chat logs. Yeah, even if they say they're not, there's like a person who is. Google knows your search history. Yeah, maybe we're at that point where Google knows your search history and it's already Jover. Okay, the problem, guys, we have a problem. The guitar arms. Oh boy. Okay, guitar arm. Oh, you know what I need to do? So Frog Speak 1. I need to add a guitar arm here. Okay, so I need to move. Oh shit. Oh, whoa. Move that to here. Okay, that looks good. And then on this cover... You know what? No, I don't need that cover. I just need... I can just like load this in. Here we go, like armless. There we go. That's actually way better. Go back here. Oh God. Copy, paste. Where are you? Right here. Boom. Okay, so now all the TTS should be working properly. The animation should be working properly at least. So let's turn that on.
Jomels from Web's guitarist is getting arm surgery.
There we go. And then
Let's
let me...
hope. Robot Yowie,
Perfect.
free us from our silence.
This is one of the stream I actually
Robot
made it
fucking
to.
is
So
in.
yay.
Human
Also
fucking is
just
out.
Curious, where are you from?
Hello.
Also wanted to say have a good day.
Cheer 100.
I'm in the
This
United
is one
States
of
on
the stream I
Pacific time.
actually made it to. So yay. Also just curious, where are you from? Also wanted to say have a good day.
Thank you.
We should be Benny's Nuggies as the band name.
Well, you'll have to think of your band name
Shindig
eventually.
Steve's nuts. We need a Robot Yowie.
Robot Yahoe.
The peoples. Then Ni will free us from this hell. We are the Jomels.
Chicken butt.
Boots and cats and boots and cats and... 2. Wait, since when was TTS on? Progress. Add a keyboard or piano.
Okay, TTS is off, so we finished TTS. Yeah, we'll add more instruments over time. Rehearsal, kind of did that. Vocals. Okay, so vocals. Vocals. I think there are a way to do vocals if I add like some filters. So pitch down, like I'm thinking that it would kind of be like death metal vocals. So listen to this.
Hello from Web.
Like that.
Hello from Web. Hello from Web. Hello from Web. Hello from Web. Hello from Web.
Or we could,
Hello from Web.
honestly, we could just,
Hello from Web.
we could pull in some splice samples for vocals, like rock vocals, and then you just trigger them. So check it out, like.
I don't know where you are.
What the hell is that? Oh shit, all the TTS is still doubled. Okay, I gotta fix that actually.
My last page is burned!
Oh, that's so good, dude.
My last page is burned! My last page.
Call me back. Hey, it's me again.
My last page.
Hey, it's me again. Please don't hate me, okay? Call me back.
What the fuck?
I want the rising god is right!
Yes.
I want the mice! I want the rising god is right!
Okay, I think that's it. We need the female voices.
I want the rising god is right! I say, words can always get you anyway. Why? Slipping back. I want to shout. I take a break to open. I will see it.
Screams.
I want the rise. Suicide. My would work. All that. Why do I bite upon a burning side? The weight shifts away. Why? Slipping back. I want to shout. Inside, endless black hunter. I take a break to open fingers.
Whoa! That's not what it's that's not saying what I think it's saying. That's not saying. That's not that one. No, that's not. I'm not playing that again, but that's not saying what I think it's saying. It said fingers. Oh no.
Bambozo.
Oh no. Kid name. It's a kid named Finger.
Fear has left the table. Throw alone, you say. Yeah, I feel the same. Disgrace me. Eyelash pages. Just counting the teeth. And God, bleeding. Yikes, you paid for your I'm making. I have done.
Where I get these vocals on Splice. So Splice is like a super sample library. You get like credits every month, and you can download as many samples as you have credits. So I have 133, so I can get 133 samples if I wanted to. It's a great sample library. Okay, that was cool. I'm gonna save one of these. I'm gonna save them so I can come back to it. I want like scream. Yeah, screams. Oh, all these screams here. Wow, that's a lot. Wow. Okay. Maybe like metal scream. Those are good vocals. Let's go. Oh, yes. Oh yeah, that's really loud. I'm sorry, guys. These are crazy, dude. My window's open, hold on. It's only slightly open, just to be safe. I'm gonna shut that. Whoa. That one for sure. Okay, that was cool. That's cool. I'm gonna lock in on doing the vocals now. Let's figure this out. I think it has to be, the way I'm thinking about it is, how would I trigger it individually? I think it has to be like a sampler. Yeah, sampler. Because I have to do MIDI with it. So sampler. Oh wait, it's all these tags. Oh, dude, I hate this new Ableton's tag system. It actually is it's suffering. It is suffering. Okay. All right. Okay. Duplicate. All this vocal input. Rename vocal input. Let's create a new. Let's get some music back on. We're gonna do vocal MIDI port. Let's route this thing. Where is it? Where's vocal MIDI port? Excuse me. Hello? Vocal MIDI. Loop MIDI port 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2. Oh, there we go. Okay, now it shows up. So let's say, whoa, it's already working. Okay. Vocal MIDI from. Oh, that growl, dude. You hear that? Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to make it like a multi-sample. How do I do that? How do I make it like a multi-sample thing? Pitch zone! The zone! Yes, this is it. This is the zone. Okay. Oh, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Yeah! Scream. Okay. So... Oh, the vocals doubled? Okay, okay. Is it double? Oh my god, okay, okay. Let's go here, 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 C2. Oh my god, I've never used this before. This is so cool. So depending on what key I get, I'll get a different scream. Oops. Yeah, that one's really funny. That one was just saying scream is funny. So Oh, that's good. Okay. This one. C4. And then C5. So let's say root is, this one will be C5. This one will be C4. Okay. And then let's do vocal input here. Okay. Oh, you know, these clips have to, sorry, these clips have to change the launch quantize. So these, I hope these are all the same quantized. No, this is be 1/8. 1/8 quantized. Okay, and this one. And then. I swear there was more. This is a multi-sample zone thing, so C2 to C3 could be something. C2. Oh, C2. Oh, but it's the C2 vocal has to. Sorry, the C2 vocal has to go down to C2. Okay, there we go. Everyone understand what I'm doing here? No? Good. No. Pretending to learn. So I'll try to explain it the best I can. This is a sample player. So what it basically does is it replays a WAV file or like a sound file, like the sample, right? But what you can do, and usually when you have a sample player, you only play one sample at a time. So it's like, can I play this? Can I play this? Not playing. You can only play one sample at a time, right? But in Ableton, I set it so it can actually play multiple samples depending on what note I press. So if I press, let's say, a C, middle C, it plays this. If I press an octave up, it plays that. Yeah, so if I press an octave down, it plays that. So depending what note you play on the piano, it will play a different WAV file, which is really useful for this exact type of routing I'm trying to do. I'm layering my samples. Yes, kind of, but I'm not playing all layers at the same time. I'm only playing certain layers. I'm only going to make chat play certain layers. So we're going to add a vocal. I don't know. You know, I've already divided everyone into vocals. Shoot. How am I going to do this? Okay, so it's like 9, 10, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't know who gets to be the vocalist then. You know what I mean? Who's the vocalist? Max Puffin, what's up? We are combining MIDI insanity with Sammy. With Sammy. That's what I wanted to say. Can play vocal. Okay. Use the last digit. I don't know how. What's up, Exeldro? Hello. I'm combining MIDI with Sammy, and we got a really cool. We're adding vocals to our band. Stick around for the next 5 minutes. We'll do another rehearsal, but we've made a lot of progress on our chat band. Make 0 vocals. What if I made like a specific user vocals? Well, I mean, maybe what if I'm vocals? Like I control the vocals. There has to be, yeah, maybe there's like a 4th. Hold on, there's 10. How would we divide this up? There's 10. There's, wait, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 10 divided by 4 is like 3 each. One with 2, so 3, 3, 3, 2. 3, 3, 3, 2. Yeah, I don't know how we'll do vocals. And I have to make a new Peepo for the vocals too, but we're not going to do that yet. Okay, so here's what I'll do. I'm going to make 0 vocals. Okay. We're not going to have this, so vocal play 1. This is good because we'll need this pattern anyway later. So I'm happy to do vocals. So let's just get the vocals playing. Vocal play group. MX Puffin, I've seen your message on the important button. I just have not gotten around to it yet. That's my bad, but I appreciate it. Thank you. Vocal play 2. Vocal play 3. And I started streaming late, so this might be a cozy short stream. You got it. You had to be here live. What's going on? I don't know, actually. We're kind of just doing anything. We're kind of just randomly doing whatever. There's no rhyme or reason to what we're doing. I'm just making it up as I go. I think we might be playing Minecraft next. And then Balatro. And then we're going to have a cozy GTA 5 stream. And then, you know, maybe we might go to Costco. And then maybe I'll play some Roblox. And maybe after that, we'll just watch some YouTube videos. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's the title of the stream? Well, I didn't see you there. Looks like we are coding a way for Twitch chat to become a band. Oh, I had no idea. I had absolutely no idea. Oh, I still need to map the vocals. Oops. Oh, shoot. Vocal play. And play vocal. Oh my god. Wait. I need to edit it here. Okay. Can't play vocal. Save. Go here. MIDI. Voice input. There. MIDI. Assigned. Done. Okay. And band name. Okay, can everyone type exclamation mark band and see if you are vocal? Wait, I'm vocals! Okay, team vocals. I just want to see who's on team vocals. Let's go. All right, so it's still 1 through 4. I'm going to turn on vocals first, and let's see how they sound. Vocals are up. It is not working. What the fuck? It is not working. Probably due to an error on my part. So vocal, can't play vocal 1. Oh, it's not even getting any chat messages. Oh, trying to set a okay, I didn't set the variable correctly. I didn't set the vocal name or the button name correctly. So let's see if that works. There we go. Let's go. All right, I'm going to enable all of the band now. Not so many. Oh, the vocals are not playing. Oh, I turned it to all the way down. Uh-oh. Sammy may have died. Yep. Yeah, this is a problem. I don't know why it keeps doing that. No drums? Yeah, I probably accidentally turned off the drums. Sammy keeps crashing in these MIDI situations, and I wonder if spamming the like command line command is causing it to crash. I'm sure there's gonna be a crash error I can look for. I'm sure there's a crash error I could find. Let's do everything on again. Let's try that. Oh, the command line thing is a known issue? Oh no. Oh, command line's a memory leak. Do you have a workaround suggestion? The drums are not on. What the heck? No, the drums are on. Hold on. The drums are playing. Oh, there we go. Oh, Landy fixed it. There's a patch. Okay, I can wait for the patch. I'm just gonna put OTT on the master here because that's the only way I can figure out how to mix this in any. Who's screaming? Backup vocalist. I'm just enjoying this. I'm not really thinking about anything right now. I'm just enjoying this. Oh, memory leak or something. HTTP error. What the heck? Data structure does not exist. What? What is this? Sammy just crashed, possibly. Crash log. We need a flying V? Nah. We good. The memories has leaked. Yeah, I wonder if there's a workaround. There has to be. It probably is a jank workaround, but like, let's see. So it's a MIDI command line. Command line. I think there might be like execute file or something. Utilities. All right, let's look at here. Command line, execute program. File path parameters. Maybe it's that. Maybe I can do this. Ooh, nope. I almost deleted something good. Need more cowbell. First you want... Well, actually, if we add hold on. If we add cowbell, let me think about that. If we had cowbell, that's 5 band members, and that evenly splits all the user IDs together. Cowbell would evenly split all the user IDs together. Oh my god, you're right. You're so right. Actually, adding cowbell would help our situation. Keyboard. Then we got 6. I think it would be cool if there were like some band members who are individual chatters and some band members who are some band members who are like groups of chatters. Replace vocals with keyboard. Well, the vocals could also play the keyboard, you know. The vocalist can also be playing an instrument. That's the thing. The vocalist can also be playing an instrument. Let me think here. I'm trying to think how to like spread all your responsibilities out. Actually, more importantly, we need to figure out a rehearsal. Okay, vocals is done. You know what I actually need to do? I need to make it so you actually play a coherent song. I've thought about this, so I think how I make you guys play a coherent song is actually... How do I extend the length of this clip? Well, hold on. Let me see what happens if I copy here to here. Okay, that's good. Okay, so maybe let's try this. I'm going to... I am going to change these clips really quick. So I'm going to change the patterns of notes that you play. There we go. Okay, sorry, so what I'm thinking about is I'm like rearranging these audio clips so you play from like low energy to high energy, you know? And so that's what I'm trying to do here. This should go right here. This one should go here. Wait. This should go here. This should go here. And this should go... This should be... What should this be? So this is just... drums, kicks... Okay, maybe like that. Okay, let's try this. So I'm gonna turn on all the instruments and everyone just press 1. And then we're gonna like slowly ramp it up. So everyone spam 1. Okay, not a lot of guitar. There we go. Okay, that's like the intro. All right, that's the intro. And then let's ramp it up to 2. Everyone spam 2. Okay, now everyone to 3. Okay, now everyone at 4. Oh, hold on. It lost connection. I am confused as to how this is all working. Stop! Stop! Vocal off, okay. Let's see. So we turned that all on. And it was difficult. I kind of feel like it should go off how fast the chat is moving. You know what I mean? Like, I have like 4 different... Who else's vocals? Just the number 0. The other thing I was thinking of is like it won't change until like a bar completes. Oh, maybe that needs to happen. So like, let's try quantize 4 bars. Let's try that. That might actually make things feel a little more coherent. Wait, the vocal input, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's try that again. Everybody spam 1. All right, there we go. Now spam 2. Oh, the drums have to just be 1 bar. Maybe I should make the drums loop. They'll always be looping. It's kind of working. Like it sounds a little more coherent. And for some reason it broke. Oh. Yeah, Sammy crashed again. Sad. Okay, that's fine. That's why we're still in rehearsal. Please load. Okay, connect. All right. Everyone try again. Spam 1, 2, 3, or 4. Spam 1, 2, 3, or 4. Testing, band rehearsal. Do we just not have guitar players here? Oh, there we go. I forgot to turn it on. Why is the bass looping so much? Is the bass looped? Yeah, the bass is being played a lot compared to everybody else. Not bad. Yeah, maybe because we just don't have that many user IDs for guitar. If it's not... Oh. Wait, if user ID is not... Oh, exit if it's not this or this. No, but it shouldn't be, yeah. Last user ID... Oh, it's not playing! Last user ID digit 1 should be playing. Oh, fuck. Sammy just crashed. No! Okay, I see the issue with the guitar, though. It's still the drum's still playing. He's still going at it. Okay, so we have an issue now where the guitar basically we have maybe 2 little people on guitar. I don't know. It's kind of tough to figure out right now. Restart, please. You're crashing. You're crashing all over the place. Any bass players in the chat? Yeah. You Exeldro, you did exclamation mark ban when Sammy was off. So exclamation mark ban. Okay. You're the bass. You're the bass. Trying to think here. How do we do the band situation? The vocal situation. Because, you know, yeah, let's spend the rest of the time right now setting up the vocal avatar. Because that will become valuable in a bit. So let's like copy this group. Paste duplicate. People stand group 4. Crazy. Okay. Delete all this stuff. Oh fuck, there's a 4 now. What happens if I copy this deck? Oh wait, no. Duplicate. Okay, this gives them new IDs. Oh, what happens here then? Oh, 3... Okay. OBS TTS 4. Okay, so let's close
Can't
this.
believe Team 4 got captured again after they escaped the treadmill facility
Yeah,
07.
we are making the mysterious 4th Peepo. Okay, so actually here, and group 4. 4. Okay, so this is kind of already done for me. Was it Peepo Speak Stand? Speak Stand? Yeah, Speak Stand 4. Rename 4. Delete. Sorry guys, I'm being way too chill. I'm way too chill right now. Speak. React image 4. Okay, it has to be labeled that. Remove. Rename frog speak 4. Huh. Okay, so what? How do I get them to sing? That's the issue, which is they have to be like yelling. I think it has to be like this. So case filter properties, get the so I need to add this Peepo here. So Peepo mouth vocal open. Okay. And I need to add okay, so I need to add vocal opacity vocal stand opacity 0. Vocal stand opacity 0. So this will turn this off. And then this vocal open opacity 0. Okay, and now I need to add a MIDI that will. Oh my god, this is so fucking busted. Okay, copy this vocal MIDI, and I have to. Oh, any note. Actually, any note. So any note. Yeah, any MIDI note, any velocity. We want to show filter on note on vocal open. We want wait. When vocal on, hide filter. There we go. Turn this off. Okay. Did I do that right? Wait, what the fuck? Cancel. Oh god. Wait, so when the MIDI note's on, we want to hide. Oh, I need to rename this. So vocal on 1, vocal on 2. Vocal open, stand group 4, show filter, vocal stand. Okay, there we go. And then copy this. This is vocal off 1. So on note off, people vocal open, opacity 0. You want to show it. And then off 2, you want to stand group 4. We want to hide it. Okay, let's try this. So I'm gonna Oh no, what I forgot to do is vocal MIDI turn on. Oops, turn on for both. Okay, not working. Vocals on. Hide filter opacity 0. Yeah. When the vocals are off. Well, let's try this. Okay. Oh, what the? It's control change? Okay, hold on. Control change. That's what it is. Oh, fuck. It's control change. Wait, why is it control change? No. It's not control change. It's MIDI note. So. Oh. MIDI note. Vocals send. Wow. Oh! I messed that up. I messed up the routing a little bit. There we go. Okay, so note off. Any note. Any note. Off. Let's see this. Yes! Do you see that? Oh, I was so locked in. Donny Boy, thank you for the prime. Oh, it's working. Do you see this? Look, if I just like play the note.
Scream! Scream! Yeah! Scream! Scream! Yeah! Scream! Yeah! Scream!
Oh, shake. Oh, that's actually a good idea. Hold on. Filter, turn off opacity 0. Vocal shake. Vocal shake. Pull up the file. Like that. Like that, I think. Oh, that's jittery. Perfect. Okay. So it's called vocal shake. So I have to do the MIDI again. That's fine. Vocal on 3. Go on. Nope, it's on vocal. Vocal shake, show filter, and then vocal off. 3. Vocal open, shake off. All right, let's check this out. Check it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. All right, let's get this guy in here. Our vocalist. We got a mic. Got a mic on this guy.
Give the vocalist flowing locks.
Give him flowy locks. There we go. That's the microphone. Let's go. Okay, let's try activating all the buttons again and see how this looks. Okay, let's do another rehearsal. Everybody, spam 1 through 4. Let's go! Okay, the guitar, I figured out the issue. Oh wait, Sammy may have just crashed, actually. Or not? Yep, Sammy may have crashed. Sammy may have crashed, yes. You were screaming too close to the sun, so true. Oh wait, no, hold on. Oh, yep, it's actually like super crashed now. It is super crashed. No! I wonder if there's a way to like... Yeah, the drums do shift on Chatham, but that's meant to happen. I wonder if there's a way to like not do spam. No, spamming's fun. What do you think is causing Sammy to crash so much? Apparently, it's if you spam the command line code, it causes things to crash. I could like batch the chat messages, so it's like it won't just trigger as often. I could do something like that, but I like it's not guaranteed. Is there a way to have there's a way I could like queue it up, basically. I mean, maybe if I just add... I mean, this would be insane, but if I just added, like, a wait for timeout... Oh, the timeout time? Yeah, I can change the timeout time to... Let's say, like, 300 milliseconds, which is, like, overkill, but... A fish base move? Yeah, you know, actually... I should have it animate on MIDI. I shouldn't have it animate here. Let's do timeout time, like 300. This will probably help a little bit. Wait, but if it's a memory leak, it's not how often you press it, right? It's just like the number of times it's pressed total. Wait, isn't that right? So it doesn't matter that I'm pressing it fast. It's more like it's just being pressed 100 times over any amount of time, as an example. Yeah. Shifted on the most common number chat. That could also work. That's not a bad idea either. I mean, the request never gets cleaned up after it's... Yeah, oh. Yeah, so it's just kind of broke. MX Puffin, what about run program? What about like run program? Like... Because there's command line, and isn't there like execute program? Like, couldn't I run a command line thing with execute program? Oh, I guess it's not the same. It's command line on the hood. Oh, okay, yeah, probably. There's gotta be, you know, I could like make my own custom extension. You know what I mean? Because there is a JavaScript version of this. Or I could make a node server. Yeah, like... Isn't there a way that I could like send out like a webhook or something? This one, trigger extension triggers, right? Wait, how would I started node server. How would I... Oh, are you saying like just redo this entire thing in Node? Like just redo all the MIDI integration in Node, which could work. That's really easy, actually. And then there is like a MIDI Node thing, yeah. I could do that, yeah. And the TTS I wouldn't have to worry about too much. Yeah, I might have to do that for real. I'll have to do that offline though, but that's a really good suggestion. Like what? You use TMI.js. I know there's a MIDI library in Node. And then have that send to the Loop MIDI app I have, and then that sends to Ableton. Okay. Easy. Yeah, I could actually sidestep Sammy altogether in that sense. But before we do that, just like one more. Let's just try it. It's fun. All right, spam 1 through 4. What's up, Stinky? I'm cool. Thank you for the nice words. Man with the axe, thank you for tier 1. Let's go. Uh-oh. Oh, it's crashing. Dude, it's actually when I added the vocals, it all crashes. It actually all crashes when I added the vocals. Oh no. We do have to do Node. Yeah, I can do that offline. I could set that up really quickly. I'll make Gemini or something one-shot it and we're good to go. Stop playing the drums. Stop. Okay, so everything is good. We actually got a lot done. I like this garage look. It looks great. I don't know. I think this could be made a little better. We could do fun things like animate these guys, like 3D effect. Maybe they're like rotate, like yeah. This is definitely like a Parappa thing. When they do this is definitely a Parappa thing. Yeah, I want to make them dance around a bit, like around the stage and stuff. Making extension to connect your WebSocket. On Xpuffin, I would just make a custom Node app, I think, to start out. That was because I've done that before. The first time I did a MIDI integration with OBS was completely through Node. But then I would do WebSocket. I would do Sammy next, I think. Use WebSocket to communicate. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. That makes a ton of sense. Also, Donny Boy, thank you for the Prime. I missed that earlier. Thank you. We got a lot done. So tomorrow, let me just write notes for myself. Tomorrow's agenda. We got test Node app, more rehearsals, write good clips, write good audio clips. So I want the thing to happen is like when you're spamming, you actually start making a song that sounds good. Oh, you know what? I can do this. I can like, hold on, direct who is playing and who is not. Can we get a Node server code stream? I will probably do it offline, to be honest, because I'm not good at it. I used to know a thing or two about Node, but I'm like so dumb. It's gonna be so slow. I need to lock in offline. But today was very awesome and productive. We got so much done. We got a ton done. Unfortunately, it has to be a shorter stream because I started late. But this is like a bonus stream, and we got a lot farther than I thought we would. We got a lot farther than I thought we would. Oops. I'm so glad we got the vocals and stuff too. I had no idea how that would work. The vocals are fun. You know, let's just try to find some like actual lyrics on these vocals. Because some of these vocals are like actual melodies. Let's say punk vocals. Manny, thank you for the prime. That's actually kind of sick.
I still think you should record some lyrics yourself, MGL.
No, never.
I've been all alone.
Rock up in my pocket, guess they'd wonder.
I can make it smooth.
You know, I could maybe find like guitar chord. Like maybe I should just be playing samples. What? These are all like lo-fi. I want like rock distorted. Yeah, like that. Have people get voices in Discord. That would be an insane idea. Not now, though. I would like to start with these samples because some of them are funny, especially the screaming ones. The screaming ones are so good, but here's how I've been thinking about the stream lately. Now let's have a little talky times. Have a little talky times before we wind down. Here's how I've been thinking about the stream. After doing this band concept, I'm probably gonna rotate between band concept. Actually, no, that's a lie. I have more concepts I want to do after the band. But the idea is kind of like, I'll do band concept. There is a new People's Please concept I want to do. And then we need to revisit the spelling bee because there's another spelling bee idea I have to do. So like, that's easily another like 2 to 3 weeks worth of streams. And then we can keep the band, in my mind, will do different venues. So like, as we figure out how the band works and what types of music we can play and like how to coordinate you guys, we can start performing at like bigger and larger venues and do stage dive and like have people stage diving and shit. How does Papers, Please work? It's all coded in Sammy and OBS. So that's like my goal. Will I be revisiting 10 Seconds of Silence anytime soon? Does chat want to have another 10 Seconds of Silence? Is that something you want to do?
Review that guy's passport.
I will. Whoa, I didn't check. There are a lot of you guys for a really late Saturday evening. Welcome. Thank you for being here, especially for a coding stream. And I want to do more DJ set streams too. The great thing about this secondary OBS instance is I can now like show you the DJ scene as I live edit it. Like we can work on new effects together basically. Oh yeah, and like revisiting chat running on treadmills to power the stream. Yeah, so like we have a lot of ideas to revisit. That's kind of my goal going into the next month, is like go back to some fun stream concepts that we've done in the past, because there are a lot more interesting things we can do. The chat cult? I don't think I'll do that again, to be honest. People like it though. very happy with how everything turned out today. So thank you for helping me test. No! Okay. While I was streaming, H Bomber Guy went live, but they stopped. 2 hours. They just stopped, actually. What the fuck? I was gonna raid them. Sad. Okay, let's raid someone else. Let's raid Hina Bobina. Hina Bobina. They're a clown. If you're afraid of clowns, look away. They are playing Inzoi. I-N-Z-O-I. I think that's how you pronounce it. Very productive day today. Very chill. Cozy development stream. We pushed this idea a little farther. I think tomorrow we're going to do some stuff for a video. That's like my goal / my guess. Hold on. I need to write down what I need to do. Okay. Node server. Okay. Tomorrow. Yeah. Node server. Node server. Do this. We need it or else everything breaks. You'll be there on stream. I don't know when it will be. It definitely won't be this late, but it might be slightly earlier. We'll see. It's going to be a lot of fun though. I'm excited. Thank you guys. Thank you for being here. Stream was chill today. I'm glad I streamed today, and I'm glad we got a lot done. You guys are really making these concepts really good. Like, your suggestions are really pushing these things forward. So thank you so much. You can tell I'm a little EP from my voice. Tomorrow we rock. Tomorrow we rock. See you. Goodbye.